Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to unbox this mobile phone OnePlus Nord CE 35G Lite. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, okay? So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, here you can see the all specifications about this mobile phone. Friends, I buy this mobile phone under, you can see here the price under the 19,999. Okay friends, so friends, you can get this color. I buy this one chromatic gray, but you can get this two color. Okay, one another color is the pastel lime and this one is the chromatic gray, and here you can see the price also. Okay friends, and this one here you can see about the GB 128 GB 8 GB and 128 GB storage. Okay, and you can see another variant also. It is 120, I mean 256 storage, I think so. Okay friends, so friends, here I'm going to unbox this one. Inside the box you can see what it's. Okay, so here let's check out this small box here and let's check inside. Oh, I'm sorry, let's check inside it. Okay friends, here on the side, not on this side. Okay, so here it's our mobile phone. You can see friends, this is the cover they has given, but let's check here what's this one is the membership card, and here it's given the pin. Okay, this one is the sim tool pin, and here is the manual guides. Okay, this is the membership card here, and this is the quick guide. Here you can see the quick guide, and here is the safety guide. Okay friends, and friends, this is your mobile phone cover. It's transparent and very nice. It's so smoothie and plain. Okay, and now let's check inside the box. Here it's our mobile phone, and let's put outside, then let's check inside the box. Okay, and here inside the box you can see friends, this is the adapter is little bit big, and it's 80-watt super work adapter. Here it's okay, see it's in white color, and here is your cable wire in red color. Okay friends, this one is the pin is in big. Okay, you will get big in pin here. Okay, type C. And friends, here you can see your mobile phone, and let's check inside the mobile phone. Okay friends, here is mobile phone, how the design is. You can see friends, the design is so plain. Okay, see it's very plain, and it's transparent also little bit. See, plain and good. And friends, here camera you will get 108 megapixel, the main camera. Okay friends, on the side here you can see this is on the side you can see on the power button, and its fingerprint also you can set here, mount fingerprint. Okay, and here you can see this is the mic, and on this side you can see this is the volume up button, and here is the volume down button, and here you can insert your SIM card, and here on the down you can see this speaker charging, and here mic, and then you can insert your headphones. Okay, earphones also. Okay, your display size you will get here is 6.72 inches. Okay, and let's turn on your mobile phone. Here I have set up I have finished to set up from before only my mobile phone, because I use already. Okay, and let's check the camera. Okay friends, here I just want to click some photos. Okay, here see I just click some photos, and here also I will click some photos, and here you can see the photos is very clear. Okay, very clear and nice the photos. Okay, see you can zoom also, you can zoom much. See, this India was too small, but when you zoom it you can see it's a little bit bigger. Okay, so when you zoom this photo it's better quality. So friends, if you want to know about the camera or about the specification of this mobile phone, you have to move on setting, then after that here you just search for the about phone. Okay, so here is the about device, just click on the about device, and here you can see the storage. Here you can check About the battery, here you can see battery capacity will be 5000 mAh. Okay, and here the front selfie camera you will get 16 megapixel, and rear will be 108 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It means that depth and weight also. Okay friends, and friends, if you want to know about the screen size, here is the screen size 17.07 centimeter, and the processor is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G octa-core. Okay friends, here you can see the Oxygen OS is the operating system is 13.1 official version. Okay friends, and let's check now about the sound. Okay, here let's play the sound. How that let's test this sound. Okay, so first of all I just move on the sound and vibration. After that, here let's play some tunes. Okay, so here you have to click on allow, and after that play. Say the sound. Friends, here is the sound. So yeah. How is that volume testing? You can check here. Friends, here you can see it's 200 capacity. Okay, here it has written 200% capacity. Okay friends, so how is the volume testing? Friends, you can give me a comment how is the volume. Okay, so friends, let's check now the resolution. Okay, let's play the 4K video. See, here's the. So friends, here let's check now the quality. Okay, let's move on setting. After that, here's the quality. Then here you have to move on the advanced. Then here you can see the resolution, how it support. You can see it can support till the 180. Okay, just click on 180, and here we have applied it. Okay, you can zoom in as much as you can. Okay, see, you can zoom, and you can zoom out also. Okay friends, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so friends, here is the resolution that it can work. About the quality is nice. You can see here it's very nice. Okay, so friends, let's check now the fingerprint and face lock. Okay, how it's working. So here I just close my mobile phone and on it, but here it's the, let's check the fingerprint, it's fast or not. Okay, so the fingerprint is fast. Okay, let's off again and on again. See, it's very fast. Okay, so here the fingerprint is good, and let's check now the face look, how it's. Okay, so see, it's very fast. Okay, see, I'll just try with this finger. It's very fast. Okay, see, it has been opened. Okay friends, so friends, here the face lock and fingerprint lock also, it's very good. Even the sound testing also very good. Okay, everything is perfect in this mobile phone. And friends, you can check some videos about settings. Okay, in this mobile phone, you can check on my channel. Okay, that I have finished to upload. Okay, you can check on my channel. Okay friends, about the settings. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.